And God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things, at all times, having all you need, you will abound in every good work. Instead of your shame, you will receive a double portion. And instead of disgrace, you will rejoice in your inheritance. You will have more than enough. More than enough. You will have more than enough. Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of heavenly lights, who does not change like shifting shadows. Abundance is the whisper and the sound of heaven. Double portion comes. Abundance means there's more. Double portion comes. Abundance is here. Double portion coming. Make room. Make room. Make room. Then your barns will be filled to overflowing, and your vats will brim over with new wine. The abundance of your house will be great, and your crown will be your bounty. Your vats will overflow with abundance. May grain abound in the land, on the tops of the hills may it sway. May the crops flourish like Lebanon and thrive like the grass of the field. And God will bless you abundantly, so that in all times and all things, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work. You will have more than enough. More than enough. More than enough. Because you got a double dose of trouble, and more than your share of contempt. Your inheritance in the land will be double, and your joy will go on forever and ever, forever and ever. We went through the fire and the water, but you brought us to a place of abundance. And God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things, at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work. You will have more than enough. You will have more than enough. You will have more. The thief only comes to steal, kill, and destroy. But I have come that they may have life and have it to the full, and have it abundantly, and have it with prosperity. Prosperity being peace, and our King being the Prince of Peace. God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things, at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work. But I have come, you will have more than enough. You will have more than enough. Exceedingly, abundantly, more than enough. The Lord will open the heavens, the storehouse of his bounty, to send rain on your land in season, and to bless all the work of your hands. Now to him who is able to do immeasurably more than all we could ask or imagine, according to the power that is at work within us. Instead of your former shame, you will have a double portion. And instead of humiliation, your people will shout with joy over their double portion. Therefore, in their land, they will possess double. Everlasting joy will be there.